Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the MSI Aegis R2 AI gaming desktop, a powerhouse machine built for gamers and creators who want serious speed without compromise. From the moment you hit the power button, it's clear this system is designed to deliver a premium, next-level experience. At the core, you're getting the Intel Core Ultra 9285 processor, paired with 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a blazing fast 2TB M2 NVMe SSD. That combination means near-instant boot times, lightning-quick game launches, and seamless multitasking. Whether you're running demanding AAA titles, editing large video files, or streaming while gaming, everything feels fluid and responsive. On the graphics side, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti takes performance even further. Games look incredibly detailed with ray tracing enabled. Frame rates stay smooth at high settings, and immersive titles truly come to life. It's also fully VR ready, so stepping into virtual worlds feels effortless and stable. Cooling is another strong point. The RGB CPU air cooler and multiple system fans keep temperatures under control, even during extended gaming sessions. The system stays surprisingly quiet, so you can focus on your gameplay instead of fan noise. Visually, the customizable RGB lighting adds a clean, modern touch that makes the tower stand out on any desk. Overall, the MSI Aegis R2 AI delivers elite performance, strong future-proofing, and sleek aesthetics in one complete package. It's built for gamers who want speed, power, and reliability all in one desktop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.